Hello everyone, don't mind the background please. Today we are going to learn HTML, another HTML video. How to insert videos, how to insert audios and how to insert YouTube videos into your web page. First thing we are going to learn how to put a video. So you just insert the video. In here you could put autoplay or controls. Autoplay would start a video when the page is loaded. Controls will let you have the control of the page. You could also put something like autoplay mute, so it will start but in mute. Then we are going to put a source tag. Inside the source tag we are going to introduce the source. In the source we are going to put our video, myvideo.mp4. In there we are going to put a video, the type, and in the type we are going to put a video / mp4. Here, it's already here, you see? In the autoplay, it starts alone and mute. It has a sound as well, yet, so sorry guys. The mute it's not working properly. No. I'm sorry. Then I can teach you guys how to manage this in CSS to make it responsive and etc. But now I'm just going to show you guys the HTML. See, it actually works. I don't know. Yes, it's not happening. Let me just put it 400. Now it should be good. No, it's not good yet. Should it need to be for the controls? No, it's not that the problem. That is not the problem. Then I don't know. It stopped working all of a sudden. Wait. It just stopped working, man. Oh, controls. Stupid. And here you just put here, there we go. We have the height and the width. The controls, it works. Now we are going to put the audio. And when I said put audio, the video has audio, don't forget, it's just a simple audio. Audio without a video. We put controls or autoplay, but controls is always better, I think, in my opinion. It depends on the case and the circumstance. So, source as well, it's very alike source. In here I'm going to put the audio, and finally the type of the audio. It will be audio / mp3. That's the dot here. There's audio OGG as well. The other audio is WAV, yes, WAV. Okay, we don't need reload. We are in the live server. So we played, and yes, you can hear that. If you put autoplay, okay, it don't even appear in here. You cannot see it in the page, but you can hear it. Yes, you can hear it. Okay. Now let's get right to the next one. Now we are going to the YouTube video. So just put iframe in here. You can remove the source, no, not the source, but the frame border. It has a lot of more stuff to change in here in the YouTube videos. But first we are going to YouTube, look for a video. Okay. Let's go to my last video. Copy link. In here we are going to paste it. We cannot just put that. We need to remove the watch, the question mark and the VH equals to that, right? Everything to the front of the VH, it's what you want. And you put embed / save it. And it's working already. You can see we cannot full screen it, but to fix that you can just put full screen able or something like that. I believe it's not like that. Okay, here we go. In the end, you just put a full screen. It's just like a source tag. You save it, click in here, and you will be able to full screen it. Most sites don't used to want you to full screen because they want you to stay in the site, right? Let's just remove the full screen, and there are a lot more things about YouTube, so let's get into it very fast. You should probably want to change the width and the height, right? In here, wait, source, here, okay. Width and the height, so you can put how you want to show it to your website. Now, in the end, you just put a question mark and an autoplay 1 or mute equals to 1. Just refresh it, and it would start autoplay because it's autoplay 1 after the question mark after everything else, and mute equals to 1 because it's activated. But autoplay doesn't always work in the most browsers. A lot of Chromium browsers does not accept that autoplay. Chromium browsers are something like the Edge, the Chrome, the Brave. There are a lot of them. Now, to make it reload like loop, we just make an eternal loop. You just put a question mark where there were a question mark right after the link, and you put playlist equals to your old one. I just copied and pasted, so it's different. Okay, in here it's equal now. You just copy and paste the first one, so the same video will be a playlist of the same video. Then you put an commercial and right. Then you put a loop equals to 1. Then you save it, and it will just start going. And when it's almost ending, wait, right here, yes, it's ending. Now, blah blah blah, everything, and it start in loop along. Lastly, let's remove everything, the controls, the head. So the same thing, you put this question mark before. You put controls after the question mark equals to 0. So you will not have controls. You will try to pause and continue. You can. You should be able to do it through the arrows, but you will not see the full time or etc. In this video, it's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you soon.